Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to take a screenshot from your Windows PC. Okay. To take the screenshot, there is too much software, but I personally use this one, Lightshot. This one perfect for me, and I always use it for taking screenshot. There is some option if you want to modify, like hotkey, general, format, proxy. Okay, so how you can take the screenshot? If you want, you normally just open this. First you have to open this Lightshot. I'm opening it. Okay, simply click on PRT scan name, PRT scan, a keyboard switch. There should be the keyboard key. You just press this. It will take the screenshot like this and make save. It will ask the destination for save the screenshot. You just show the screenshot destination and click save, and here is the screenshot you just saved. Let me show you. This is the screenshot. Okay, this is the screenshot. So it's too easy to take the screenshot. If you just have to select the area you want to take the screenshot, this area or this area or anything. Also you can do some other thing also. Take select the screen area and then click on it, and then you can export it too, and then save. It will ask the destination again and click on save. Done. Here we are going to check if it working or not. Yes, see, this is the screenshot I just saved. It's too easy. The software I used for taking screenshot is Lightshot. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it will help you. Bye.